Afternoon guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we've done slightly different to what we normally do. We're doing a lot of audio equipment, subwoofers, speakers and that kind of thing, head unit upgrades. This particular lady, lovely lady, is local to us, phoned me up, or rather sent me a contact form and said that she didn't have any TV reception in her motorhome. Now the reason why I'm stood here looking like an idiot with these two boxes is because these are the only two digital TV antennas that we fit. They're both manufactured by Vision Plus and they're both amplified. And the reason why I'm stood here is because I wanted to show you a little bit about the difference of why we use them and why we fit them and which one we choose depending on which vehicle you've got. So today this customer has come to us because she did have some kind of TV reception in her camper behind us, motorhome. She's got two TVs, but the TV reception suddenly stopped, and we found out the reason why. It was because she had a window fitted type internal antenna that really wasn't doing anything at all and possibly has failed. So what we've done for her, because she's got the ridge sort of type roof, we've had to fit this antenna. And the reason being is because the other one has a mast that goes up and down. Great bit of kit and we fit them all the time, but this one is more likely to be less of a hassle to use. You just switch it on and away you go, whereas the other one has a mast that you can put up and is directional depending on where you are. So yes, that one is slightly better, but this one is going to fit this roof much better and be far more functional for her. Now during the video you're going to see bits and pieces of Martin, how he's fitted the roof antenna. We've drilled through the roof, we've sealed it, we've brought the cabling in, and it looks fantastic. But what we can do is I'll jump inside with Sammy behind the camera and show you a bit about the TV reception and how the amplifier works. Right, so this is the typical ridge roof that you're going to see on what we call a sliding van conversion or a sliding door conversion. This is an original Fiat Peugeot Citroën panel van that's then been turned into a camper. The reason why we couldn't really go for the antenna with the mast is because there's nowhere logically inside for it to go without it being obstructive and getting in the way of the TV that's already fitted. So we've gone for this UFO type antenna. It's still Vision Plus, it's amplified. Martin's drilled a hole through the roof, brought the cabling all the way over into this corner, then sealed with black mastic. I don't know if you can see that, Sammy, with the camera there. That is black Sikaflex, and it just means that all areas of the roof have been made watertight for the actual TV antenna to go in there. Now this is omnidirectional, so it doesn't really matter where you are. You should be able to pick up digital TV reception. So what we're going to do now is show you Martin's work inside the vehicle and hopefully be able to pick up some TV reception. Okay, so this is already, we didn't fit the TVs in this vehicle. This is the customer's TV here. There's also one in the bedroom, but this just shows right now that our TV aerials are in, or TV aerial is in, but connected to all three of the existing sockets. So there's one to the right of this TV, there's one in the kitchen area, and there's one in the eating area right behind me. And all of those have been catered for to provide decent TV signal for when you're parked up on off-grid somewhere or in a campsite. Obviously there's going to be some areas and some places where you can't pick up TV reception, but you can't have it all. So what Martin's done is, rather than fitting the TV antenna through the roof with a telescopic mast that comes up and down here, we've gone for the UFO type system, which means that the booster can go into this cupboard nice and neat. And this little aerial booster here then caters for the three TV sockets that we've got. It's all nice and neat tucked away, and after we've filmed we'll then put all of the glasses and other personal effects that were back in there. And it just means now that we did a TV scan inside our building and received 126 channels. So that's how effective these antennas are. And there are quite a few on the market, but if you've got a motorhome or a camper van that's struggling with TV reception or doesn't even have a TV aerial, then get in touch with us, because this is going to leave us today, and when this customer is next out on a camping trip, is going to be able to sit and relax watching a bit of TV as well, which is typical British weather, because you never know what you're going to get. But either way, TV aerial fitted, it's a digital Freeview antenna, and it's amplified. So if you are in an area where the signal picture, where the picture quality or the signal is a little bit breaky, you can just sit inside here, and I'll get somebody to take some pictures anyway, but you can sit inside here and you can just adjust the gain on the amplifier, which just gives it a little bit more power in on there to improve your TV signal if you have an issue. So this is a 2021/2022. It's a Fiat Ducato, but it's a Yosemite camper build. Nice conversion inside, but was lacking then TV reception, and now this customer's going to be chuffed to bits. So don't forget to follow us on social media, website in the bio below, and if you want a TV aerial or anything else, then get in touch with us through the website and the contact form. And thanks for watching.